Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today, I'm going to be improving your creative writing by teaching you how to flip sentences. And at the end of this video, you're going to find out how to get yourself a completely free worksheet. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you improve your writing. Okay, let's learn how to flip sentences. Now we're going to start with a model response. Here's a picture of a cat walking along a path on a windy day. We're going to use this as inspiration to write a text. So here is some basic writing. The sky was darkening and there were clouds forming. The birds were being moved across the air by fast winds. A cat ran quickly along a path. A worrying feeling was beginning to fill the air. So that's our basic piece of writing. And what we can do is make that a little bit more interesting by flipping sentences. So I'm going to show you an example of that and then teach you how to do it. So here is some better writing. Clouds formed in the darkening sky. Fast winds moved the birds across the air. A path was walked along quickly by a cat. The air was filling with a worrying feeling. Now that's a little bit more ambitious, and you might find that to you that sounds a little bit more effective. Ultimately, we've got the same words and the same ideas. What we've simply done is flip the sentences. Now, I'm going to teach you now how to flip a sentence. Here's an example of a sentence that we're going to flip. The old man slowly ate a ham sandwich. Now, in this sentence, we've got a subject, the old man, on the left, and an object, which is the ham sandwich that he eats. So our sentence, the old man slowly ate a ham sandwich, can become a little bit more interesting if we choose to flip the subject and the object. So now we've got the object at the front of the sentence and the subject at the back, making this sentence all of a sudden seem a little bit more inventive. Let's have a look at what that is going to sound like. We've got a ham sandwich was eaten slowly by an old man. Now what we've done is really simple and straightforward. We've simply taken the subject and the object and switched them around. Here's another example. A young woman was enjoying an ice cream. So the subject is the woman and the object is the ice cream. We'll simply switch the places of those in the sentence, and this is what we have. An ice cream was enjoyed by a young woman. Here's a final example of flipping a sentence. We've got the boy skillfully kicked the ball. The boy is at the front and the ball is at the back of this sentence. Let's simply take them and switch them around, and that gives us the ball was kicked skillfully by the boy. Now, here are your takeaways. You can turn what we call an active sentence into a passive sentence by simply flipping the order of subject and object. Now, remember, variety is key to writing of sentences well in a text, and if every sentence is similar, your writing will feel basic. Flip sentences, or passive sentences as they are known, give you an extra sentence form to use and add flair to your writing. Now, if you want to take it further, I've got a practice task for you. All you need to do is click the link in the description and you can get your own copies to save or print of these worksheets. I'll give you a bit of practice flipping some sentences of your own, and then there's a creative writing task and an extension for you to do to get some practice to improve your sentences. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask for something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.